Welcome back to the channel. Today we're unboxing the brand new iPhone 17 Air in all new sky blue finish. So Apple has been positioning the Air as their thinnest and lightest iPhone yet, so I'm excited to see how it looks and feels in person. So as always, the packaging is simple and minimalistic, Apple's signature style. So let's remove the seal and lift the lid. And here it is, the iPhone 17 Air in sky blue color. Right away, the color stands out. It's subtle but elegant, a light, airy shade of blue that complements the slim design perfectly. Picking it up for the first time, you immediately notice how light this device is. So the thin profile is striking, yet it still feels sturdy. So the matte glass back has a smooth premium finish, while the aluminum frame keeps it sleek and modern. So the camera housing is more refined compared to the Pro models, making this design feel more minimal and balanced. Inside the box, you'll find a standard set of accessories, USB-C lightning cable, some documentation, and unfortunately, I don't see any SIM eject tool in this. So this is the iPhone Air, so I'm guessing it'll be using the eSIM. Let's see if there is any SIM tray. Nope, there's no SIM tray, so this will be using an eSIM. So you need to get an eSIM for your iPhone Air if you do get one. So let's take a closer look. So along the edges, the flat frame makes the phone comfortable to hold. The sky blue color really shines under the light, shifting slightly depending on the angle. So on the back, we have a dual camera system, neatly integrated into the design. And on the front, near to the edge, we have an OLED display that promises brighter visuals and smoother performance. So powering on the device, we're greeted with the Apple logo on the vivid OLED panel. The bezels are slimmer than before, giving this display an immersive look. So setup will be straightforward with iOS 18, but we'll save the in-depth software experience for the next video. So to summarize, the iPhone 17 Air in sky blue makes a strong impression. It's incredibly light, beautiful design, and new color option is a standout. So in the coming days, I'll be testing the performance, battery life, and camera system to see how the device fits into the Apple's 2025 lineup. Stay tuned for a full review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.